everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a very fun, exciting look for you guys, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. It is a collaboration that I'm doing with a few wonderful ladies here on YouTube. Let me go ahead and just quickly shout out who I'm doing the collaboration with. So let's first start off with the person who created the collaboration, and that is MakeUpWith Mar, or Mariah, or just Mar. She is just so adorable. She takes after her mom. She loves makeup, and I was so excited that they allowed me to do this collaboration at the last minute. I'm going to link everyone's channel down below, and I really hope that you guys check them out and show them some love because they worked equally as hard on their collaboration looks. Next person I'm going to mention is, of course, Mar's mom, which is Anna, and her channel is Anna Banana. Like I said, I'm going to link all of their stuff down below, and Anna was actually the one that was sweet enough to ask me if I wanted to jump in on their collaboration, and I told her I didn't want to impose, but she was like, no, Mar loves you. She would love if you did this collaboration with us. So I was like, okay, I'll try to film it. Next person I'm going to mention is Silah. Her channel is Silah Mae. I love her so much. She's also another very talented person here on YouTube, and we got really close. And next I'm going to mention is Nicole. I can't think of her tag name on the top of my head, but like I said, I will put everything in the description box down below, and I'll also put it on the screen here for you guys to see with a picture of them, of course. And then of course there is the beautiful Amy. Amy is such a sweetheart. She is so creative. She's so creative. She did this like Ursula and Ariel, I think, inspired look for the last challenge that we did, which was the Opposites Attract challenge, and I just love her creative mind. I love everybody's creativity, but yeah, Amy is so sweet. Definitely check her out. And then there is Molly. Molly is another sweetheart. She is so informative in her videos, and I love watching her. She's so genuine and so just innocent, and she's another one. She can kill a smoky eye. She is just so beautiful. I love her. And then lastly is Deni. Her tag name, I believe, is Gonz Girl Deni. She is literally a ball of energy. She's so sweet. She's so cute. Every time she has a live stream, it's so funny because I'm just cracking up because she's so slow. She's like, wait, what? What are you talking about? Wait, what happened? And I'm just like, oh, Deni, you're so cute. But like, she's another one that's really creative. And before I forget, if you aren't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Join my little ohana that I have here. And yeah, you guys, let's just jump right on into this Galaxy-inspired collaboration.